Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can craft and save templates for messages and emails you send on Canary Mail. For example, if you'd like to use these customizable templates for future emails. So let us guide you through it. Launch Canary Mail on your device, and after that navigate to your account settings by clicking into Preferences here. Next, what you want to do guys is access the Templates tab to the left, and here craft a new template by clicking into Create. And here start your template, type a new text here, ABC123 for example, and you can format your text accordingly, customize it, use various fonts, font sizes, use lists, and so on and so forth. And you can even add a template recipient address here at the top. And that's it guys. Don't forget to click into save here, and that should do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.